Hey everyone, Michael here, and welcome to the Byerly Campfire. This is your one stop for everything happening here at Byerly RV. Before I get to it, if you haven't already, please go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure you click the bell icon so you get notified when we upload new videos. And while you're at it, go ahead and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. At Byerly RV, we're making RV shopping simple with our what you see is what you pay pricing. No additional fees are added to the advertised price, so the online price is the RV price. It's clear, straightforward, and easy to understand. Tax, title, and optional equipment like hitches and brake controllers not included. In parts and service this month, we've got several great offers to help you get your RV ready for the road. When you purchase a new Blue Ox tow bar, you'll receive a cover for free. We're also offering 20% off on Dicor roof sealants, 15% off slide toppers with installation, and free installation with the purchase of any mud dauber screens. If you've been putting off a few upgrades or maintenance items, this is a great time to take advantage of these specials and get your RV road trip ready. In service this month, we've got several great specials running through May 31st to help you get your RV ready for the season. You can continue to save 20% on our Spring De-winterize Deluxe special. Plus, get 25% off parts and labor on bearing packs for single, double, and triple axle units. We're also offering 20% off parts and labor on Furrion rear view camera system installs, as well as 20% off parts and labor on electric tongue jack installs. If you're getting ready for the camping season, now is a great time to take care of these important upgrades and maintenance items. In the Bodyshop this month, we're offering buffing services to help your RV look its best for the season. A single stage buff is available for campers up to 20 feet for $500, and for units over 20 feet, just $750. We're also offering a 3-stage buff for $750 on campers up to 20 feet and $1,100 for units over 20 feet. It's a great way to freshen up your RV and bring back that shine before your next trip. For our rental department, the unlimited mileage special is still going strong through May 18th. It's a great opportunity to take the trip you've been thinking about without worrying about mileage limits. So if a spring or early summer adventure is on your list, now's the time to get your rental reserved. Also for our rental customers, we're offering a convenient outdoor storage option while you're out enjoying your trip. For just $10 a day, you can leave your vehicle in our outdoor storage lot and have 24/7 access through an app. It's a simple way to keep your vehicle secure while you travel, and it makes both pickup and drop-off easier by taking away the stress of arranging a ride to and from Byerly RV. As you plan your next adventure, don't forget to plan for the unexpected too. Camp Assist from Safe Ride offers unlimited RV roadside assistance with 5 years of coverage for your registered RV, other vehicles, and even your spouse and dependents 24 years old and younger. It's an easy way to enjoy your camping trip with added peace of mind and financial protection on the road. And that's it. Thanks for joining me at this month's Byerly Campfire. To stay up to date on any upcoming events, promotions, and news, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit that bell icon so you get notified when we upload new videos. While you're at it, go ahead and check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.
Rediscover your family, show them you care for the rest of your life.